Hey, this is Debra. It's easy to think that there is a simple one-size-fits-all marketing plan for you. And I get that because there's a lot going on. We want to keep it simple. What are the barriers that keep you from marketing effectively? And how can you develop a 20-day plan you can really follow, that you can do on a regular basis every day? That's not going to eat up your entire day and all you're going to do is marketing. And then 3, how can you explore the tools that are streamlined just for you? You don't need all the tools. You only need the tools that are right for you. So how can we do that? Well, we're going to talk about that in our session at SGMP. I'll be there. We're going to have some fun. It's going to be hands-on. You'll walk away with your own plan. So come on, join the fun. We're going to be kicking it together. See you there.